I talk with GCs every day, and they always seem to ask what's the difference between Beam and just plugging their information to ChatGPT. And I have to ask them, does ChatGPT give a consistent estimating format that you can then turn into a document to send to clients for e-signature? Can you turn that estimate into a budget? And then can you invoice directly out of that budget? These are just some of the differences between plugging your information into an open AI platform versus using Beam. You can try out AI estimating for yourself at trybeam.com.